Hello everyone, here we are going to show you how we can create these beautiful patterns. For this you may require the painting brush, and now we are making use of the two different shades of the blue so that a 3D type of the look is created. Now you just have to repeat the same way from the inside area, and you can see how one after the another we are making these petals look more real and more natural. It's all work of how you are going to hold this brush. It's very time consuming activity because you just have to be patient, and at the center area we are making some of the sepals. Now you just have to repeat the same thing in a similar manner and creating some more sepals as apparent on your screen. Just pause the video and see how you just have to hold your brush and how you just have to make use of the strands of this brush to work accordingly. It looks so beautiful and so nice. In few minutes you will be able to create such beautiful flowers. This looks so good, and the stalk is to be made with the help of the green shade. Now leaves are to be made with the help of the neon and the green shade. It looks so beautiful. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further. Here we are going to show you how we can create some purple shades of the flower. Again, you just have to take the brush and you just have to take the two shades. It all depends on your choice. We are here making use of one darker shade and one lighter shade. We are using the purple and we are using the whitish shade. And you can see how we are placing them over this type of the sheet, and then we are making these 3D type of the leaves. With the help of the brush, you just have to work accordingly. Now we are making another type of the flower. At the center we have just filled it with the dark, only one shade of the purple. Now we are just making some of petals from all the ends using these two to three shades from the outerwards direction, and the lighter one is towards the innerwards direction. Such type of the 3D types of the paintings are so beautiful and they look so difficult, but these are actually very simple. It's all just requires the hold of your hand over the brush. Thank you for watching.